Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a little tutorial for you guys using the NYX Cosmetics In Your Element Earth palette. I wasn't originally planning on doing another video with it since I had already filmed a first impressions and demo using it, but since this palette is limited edition, I wanted to film another tutorial using it, just in case any of you guys got it and were looking for another look with it. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shade number 8, which is a peachy color, and I'm going to take it on a large fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to put that all over my crease. Alright, now that that's done, I'm going in with the shade number 3 on a smaller blending brush, and I'm going to put that right beneath the peach color. Now I'm going to take shade 7 and put it in my crease as well. And now I'm going to take the shade number 4 and I'm going to pack that all over my lid. Now I'm going in with the shade number 2 and I'm going to blend out any harsh lines and really intensify the look. I'm going to go back in with some number 4 as well again. I'm just going to go in with the peach shade one last time, which is shade number 8, and just smooth out everything and make sure everything is blended. Alright, to make this look a bit more interesting, I'm going to go into the shade number 6, which is a shimmery green, and I'm going to pack that in the center of my lid. Alright, for my lower lash line, I'm going to take the shade number 8, which is the first shade we started with, and I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take the shade number 2 and I'm going to concentrate that on the outer half of my lower lash line. And now I'm going to go in with the shade number 4 and I'm going to concentrate that in the outer third to outer half of my lower lash line. So this is it for the eyeshadow. I'm going to finish the rest of it off camera and I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. To finish off the eyes, I just lined my lash line, my waterline, put on some mascara, false eyelashes, and put a bit of Vermeer and Primavera from the Modern Renaissance palette in my inner corner. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below future videos you'd like to see. As always, thank you for watching and see you guys next time.